Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I am demonstrating our standard model DC-256S. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use this product first and then follow up with hardware and features. So this is going to be used as a standalone time of day clock that shows hours, minutes, and seconds. And what we mean by standalone is that the timekeeping is done entirely within this unit. It doesn't need a network connection to receive time updates from an NTP server like our network clocks. It doesn't need to be connected to our EasyTime software in order to receive updates either. So this can go anywhere that you wouldn't be able to make an Ethernet connection or any other connections rather than power. So there are 3 buttons on top of the case that are environmentally sealed push buttons. The first one is set hours, the second one is set minutes, and the third one is 0 seconds. So you push the button once and it starts cycling through the numbers. You may have noticed that the indicator in this upper left corner has gone off. That's an AM/PM indicator, so it turns on and off every 12 hours. So push it again to stop. And then you can push the button to cycle through the minutes as well. And you may notice that the seconds are zeroed out while it's going up, or while you're setting either hours or minutes. And then the 0 seconds button will just reset the seconds back to 0, and that's a single press action. And it doesn't come with any accessories, so there's no wireless remote or anything else, just the 3 buttons on top of the case. Okay, so the digit size for this is going to be 2.3-inch red segmented LEDs, and there are 6 digits in total to allow you to see the hours, minutes, and seconds. The case is made out of powder-coated aluminum extrusion, and there are 2 mounting tabs in the back to allow you to hang it on a wall, or you can set it like this on a desktop. So it gets 12 volts through an AC power adapter coax connection on the right hand side. It also has a 9-volt battery backup in the back. Let me flip this around so you can see the 2 mounting tabs, and then the middle plate here comes off to allow you to get to that battery backup. It just takes a standard 9-volt battery, and there are 4 screws that will hold that plate in place. So let me show you the battery backup function real quick. So if you remove the power for any reason, the battery will keep the insides running, but it will turn off the display to save power. And then once power is reattached, it still remembers what time it was before. And I believe that is it. So all of our products are manufactured and assembled at our location in Carlisle, Ohio. So if you like this product and want to order it, or if you have any questions about how we can customize any of our products for your specific needs, please contact us using the link in the description. Again, this has been Liz with DC Digital demonstrating our standard model DC-256S. Thank you.